Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into a common problem that Android developers might face when implementing notifications. The issue at hand is that notifications in Android behave differently in version 13 compared to older versions. A user mentioned that while testing notifications using FCM, they noticed that when the app is open, logs appear in the service file, but notifications don't pop up automatically. However, the real problem arises when the app is closed because not only do notifications fail to show up, but there's also a lack of logging in the service file. This leaves the user puzzled and wondering why the notifications aren't working as expected. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. In Android 13, a significant shift has occurred in how notifications are handled. Unlike previous versions that used an opt-out model, Android 13 now operates on an opt-in model. This means that all apps are required to seek user permission before sending notification prompts. This change aims to reduce notification interruptions, prevent information overload, and empower users to customize which notifications are important to them. To adapt to this new opt-in model, OEMs need to make adjustments in both the notification and runtime permission systems. This shift enhances user control and overall user experience when it comes to notifications. In summary, the evolution of notifications in Android 13 introduces an opt-in model that emphasizes user choice and control over the notifications they receive. Developers need to update their apps to align with this new system and seek user permission before sending notification prompts. This not only streamlines the notification experience, but also puts users in the driver's seat, allowing them to tailor their notification settings according to their preferences. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!